Morning. We're gonna go to the farm. I got my first day of class today. I gotta go help Ross real quick, give him a GoPro, send him on his way. And I gotta go to class at 10 o'clock, and it is 8:15 now. So. You're killing me, Ross. There's water coming down. What'd you break now?
Oh, it's on mine. I gotta fix it.
Really? So, I guess I'm gonna hand this GoPro over to Ross again. Then I'm gonna take my drone up and fly it around them later. So, Ross, here you go. You're in their hands now.
Oh God.
They're in your hands.
They're in trouble.
They are. You're probably gonna break everything they own. My morning commute is now about 10 minutes longer every day. So instead of just going to the farm, which is right down the road from my house, like what you seen me do this morning on the golf cart, now I gotta take my pickup and I gotta go all the way to freaking VU in town, which is about 15 minutes. Oh well. So anyways, as school's starting back up, I just want to let you guys know that I'm probably gonna try to keep doing these 2 videos a week. I'm gonna try to do it 2 days a week, and nonetheless I can always shorten the videos up. But I gave Ross a GoPro. We're gonna see how this goes. Usually in about a day or 2 we can have a full video. So hopefully we can keep it going, because I like doing it 3 days a week and I know you guys like it. But harvest is also coming up, and I might go from 2 days a week to 3 days a week. I don't know yet. We'll just have to wait and see what harvest brings. But we don't work on Sundays, and I like to keep a lot of my video as real time as I can. So basically, like, I try to keep it to where what I'm doing on Tuesday you guys get to see on Wednesday, so then that way it's a little bit more real time for you, whereas some people, they'll hold stuff back. But we'll just have to see how this goes and, I don't know, experiment with it. But I'm on my way to class right now. I got about 2 hours in between, 3 hours in between classes, and I'm gonna go up to Emerson and fly the drone around Ross and the Heggie. And yeah.
So we just got up here to the sprayer. Just got it started, got my cooler and everything in here. Water truck ready to go. Got up here and we're gonna try to start spraying. Try to start spraying and see what we can get done today, and try not to break anything today. It's always the main goal. Don't break anything, but kind of happens sometimes. But I will bring you guys along for the ride. I just got done filling up and we're about to unfold. See, Alex has got his easier when he unfolds. He just comes over here, he's just one button. I gotta raise up my whole boom, and then gotta use these 2 to move it all out. I'll get that out. Gotta come over here and hit this, and this will come up. Gotta hit that, back over here, and back unfold it. Unfold it. As I'm spraying tall corn, gotta adjust it to the height of the corn. It's his first day in actual college. He had some college classes last year, but it's actually his first year and actually taking college classes all year. See, I graduated college back in May, and I've been working on the farm full time now. So finally graduated. I graduated with a John Deere mechanics degree. I am certified to work on John Deere equipment. So I guess that's a plus there. I live a pretty boring life, if you couldn't tell. But if you guys really want t-shirt or Illinois Horse Farms t-shirts, we need 1,500 likes, which I know we have over 5,000 followers, so it can't be that hard to get 1,500 likes just to get t-shirts. Even if you don't like the video, tell some of your friends to watch it. Some people has never even seen a farm or any farming videos or know what farming about. See, we could come over here and show them our farm channel, and maybe get to excuse me, sorry, but maybe to get your friends, show you some of your friends that really doesn't know a lot about farming, show them. And some people have never seen anything about farming or anything agriculture. I think it's pretty cool. Then tell their friends, and then they'll tell their friends, and it'll just be one big family here. I just hope you guys enjoy the videos we make, and I try to do the best I can. I know I'm not as good as Alex at this, but I try my best to entertain you guys. Gotta show you what I do and stuff.
So first day at college went great. Back down here at the cornfields already. Oh my. Yep, back down here in the cornfield. So we're gonna come back here and we're gonna start this irrigation. And I got a couple more. I got a list of a bunch of other ones I gotta start. So I'm gonna go through and start all of them. Go home, or me and Dad are gonna go put a motor on an irrigation, and then I guess I'm gonna go video Ross with the drone after all that. Maybe get some sunset in. Be a pretty cool video, but yeah. So I'm gonna, once we get up there to Bloods, to some of our better looking corn, and to that big irrigation, once me and Dad get done working on it or doing whatever we gotta do to it, then I'm going to send the drone up over it so you guys can just see how truly big that irrigation is. So we was gonna start our full circle down here, but we wound up not starting it. It's having issues with the corner arm, we think, so we gotta bypass that one. Man, this corn just must not really like me today. It just shoved my mirror in. I'm not very happy with it. There goes one. So that one big one over there, this is actually the first time this one's gonna go around. Yeah, that first big one over there that I tried to start, we don't know what's wrong with it, but we think it's the corner arm out on the end, and we're just gonna mess with it later. Probably later tonight whenever it isn't as hot, to kind of avoid being outside in the hot weather right now, because it is like 97 degrees or something like that. So we're gonna go over here and we're gonna start this next one up. It's the one that's got a lot of pipe ran to it, and it's the one that goes over top the irrigation. So, and then on these we gotta set the timers, the stopping slots, and everything else on them. Or on this one I gotta set the stopping slot because it cannot hit, it's gotta stay away from the oil well. The other one is we gotta set the timers on them all because of the load control day that they got going today, because it's so hot out. So we're gonna try and set this thing up and make it work right. There's one thing for sure, whenever I drove back up close to this one, I could tell that it's running because of how much cooler it got outside. Water, 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 water. Come on. Keep that corn fed. So, I'm gonna show you guys what this is, but basically I am setting the time for it, for the delay. So you have to go in the time, step 1 program, daytime. You gotta hit it. It's all on this keypad here and everything. So, and then basically you make sure that the date's right, 8/19/19, which is today. Enter time, which is 16 50, because this all runs on military time, and then you hit stop, which will shut it off at 1650, which is basically whatever it is in military time. I can't think of it. So, and then you gotta do a next step time 0 8 19 19, hit enter, and then you go 1950, enter, and then you hit the start button to start it back up, and then you hit enter again. So, and then you gotta go program finished, save program and run, then you just hit a random number and then it works. Yeah, I believe that's how it works. So, and then if it says program right there, which it does, that'll basically mean that that's what it's programmed to do. So it'll shut off at 1650, which is not that far from now. So you guys remember that big dude of an irrigation I was telling you guys about? Well, here it is. And one pump's running, and then the other one should be too. And it goes in through here, and as you can see, we got all pipe chained up and everything. Because if we don't have that chained up, that entire thing will just blow apart. So we gotta have it all put together and all put together right. So I'm gonna set this one, and then we're gonna send the drone up. Then the next time you see it, it will be at Emerson with Ross.
7:17 p.m. and we are just got done spraying for today. Ran out of water, so we can't fill up where I'm spraying up here. So gotta go home and fill the water truck up and come back tomorrow and finish it. We are getting ready to head home. Take her back up. Take her back over there. Not there, but over there. To where now we park our equipment. That's where it's going. So we're gonna head that way now. So see you when we get there.
Guys, this is another one of our grain elevators, or one of our little grain legs. It's up here at Emerson. We are going to go home. Ross is gonna go home. I'm gonna go home. Tell me what you think about this new drone footage, this new drone that I got in general. Mavic Pro, pretty good drone. Love it. Fun to fly, that's for sure. It'll get up and go. I passed him, and he was probably going 25, 30. So I had it going 40. Anyways, remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, hit that bell notification button, and I guess Ross might have the last word.
We'll see you guys in the next video.